Some roads in Guilford County are still impacting the district's ability to go back to in-person learning.
WFMY News 2's Amber Lake checked on the conditions at bus stops and spoke to parents about their concerns. Amber.
Across Guilford County, crews continue to clear those roads days after those two back-to-back winter storms. And school leaders say that it's not just the main roads that they focus on, right? It is these back roads like this one in Greensboro, this bus stop that they specifically look at, and they make sure that it is safe for buses to cross because buses come to this area again and again. Though parents may be wanting their kids physically back in school, some neighborhood roads remain very dangerous.
There's a bus stop directly behind where you're standing on the corner there, and then we have middle schoolers, high schools, and elementary. It's the same bus that comes through for all the schools. But
Anna Young says that her kids don't ride the bus, but her neighborhood has multiple bus stops. Brittany Sands says icy, shaded hills force some students to walk farther to reach safer pickup points.
We have to walk her to the bus stop, and our road is still a slick of ice, still snow piled up.
Sands says even basic services can't even reach her street, a sign, she says, that school buses shouldn't either. School leaders say they see those same conditions during daily road checks.
As of right now, it's pretty good as far as the main roads is concerned, but once you get out and away from them, it changes.
David Reed says crews drive routes and report back before leaders decide whether buses can safely run. And it's not just Summerfield or Greensboro. Here are some pictures from Colfax, another bus stop in Guilford County completely covered in snow and ice, with no clear path for students to stand on or wait safely. And it's because of those roads that you just saw. It's because of bus stops that look exactly like this, still hidden under a sheet of ice and snow. That's the reason why GCS made the decision to go remote tomorrow, Thursday, in school. Reporting live in Greensboro, Amber Lake, WFMY News 2.